Hey there! If any of your Apple Watch, including the Watch 11, is showing disconnected from iPhone and displaying this red mobile icon, although it's showing connected in the Bluetooth, don't panic, let's go ahead and see how to fix it quickly. So first, make sure Apple Watch is near your iPhone's Bluetooth range. And also, hit the power button, and from control panel, you can check if the Wi-Fi is turned on. You can also check that from your watch's settings that Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth is turned on. And talking about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, from your iPhone settings, not from control panel, from settings, just go ahead and check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on and functional. If you're still not connected to your iPhone, let's go back to the control panel of your watch. And you can do a trick that is to just tap on this iPhone ping option and see if your iPhone starts beeping. So if your watch is showing it's disconnected from iPhone, or maybe it's beeps but still showing red mobile icon, whatever it is, just give your watch a simple restart. Turn it off, wait for a couple of seconds, and then turn it back on again. At the same time, give your iPhone a restart if you want. Sometimes they get disconnected for minor glitch, no specific reason, and a restart could solve that. And after the restart, wait for a couple of minutes for both of them to settle down. Your watch should display that it's connected to your iPhone. Now, if it does not, and if it keeps happening randomly every now and then, you're going to reset your Apple Watch from its settings since it's disconnected from your iPhone. So for that, press on the crown, open settings, from there to general, scroll for reset, from there to erase all contents and settings. As you can see, since you're resetting it from the watch, you'll lose all data if it's not backed up, and it'll put an activation lock on your watch, and you'll need your Apple ID and password to reset up your watch. If you're okay, just hit the erase all button. And if you got an LTE version, you'll get an additional prompt to keep or delete your SIMs. Just select to keep the SIMs if you want, and then hit the erase all button. Now, don't worry about the erase process. It usually takes quite a bit of long time. Just wait patiently. Now, after the reset is completed, before setting it up, just go ahead and open your watch app to all watches. Now, just in case, if you can't see your watch's name in here, just go ahead, tap on this eye icon, scroll down, and simply unpair it from your iPhone to avoid any pairing issue. If you can unpair your watch from here, this will also remove the activation log, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you'll end up in the watch's pairing section in the app. Just go ahead and repair your watch with your iPhone. And hopefully, once you set up your watch, you will no longer face this problem anymore. Thanks for watching.